Alright, let's talk about the ending of Squid Game Season 3. And obviously, spoiler warning, if you haven't seen it yet, this is your chance to back out. Now, let's break down what exactly happened at the end. So, the final game had one simple rule: once someone pushes the button, there's a 15-minute countdown and someone has to be pushed in order to proceed. This keeps going until there are just 3 people left, 2 players and a baby. What happens next is intense. Player number 333 and 456 get into a fight, and at one point, both 333 and 456 were hanging for their life. But somehow, 456 manages to climb back up, only to realize the button was never pushed, which means the game never officially started, and which meant he didn't win. Now, here's the twist: 456 decides to press the button and sacrifice himself so the baby 222 can live and can win the game. At the same time, the detective found out the island and informed the Coast Guard, who were on their way. But the frontman is already aware of this. He knows the island have been discovered and he triggers the final protocol, that is, full destruction of the island. We see the frontman carrying the baby just when he is confronted by his brother before he leaves. We also see Noyul almost taking her life, but she sees the baby and it gives her hope and she decides to live. Everything burns. We see the entire Squid Game facility go up in flames. The entire island is destroyed. Then we fast forward 6 months. Player 246 is alive. He is drawing a portrait of Noyul, the person who saved his life, though he doesn't know that. Meanwhile, someone stole 456's prize money. Turns out it was the front man, but not out of greed. He takes the money, packs it up, and sends it to 456's daughter, who is in the US. Also, the baby, player 222, was taken in by the frontman, who took care of her for 6 months before he handed her over to his brother, along with the card that contained the winning amount. And finally, we get a glimpse of something new, a hint, a teaser. Looks like someone in the US is now playing this game, hinting at a possibility of Squid Game USA. And that's how Squid Game Season 3 ends. Well, that's all for this video. See you in the next one.